Hi guys, so today I'm filming the upstairs bathroom at my mom's house. It's a really nice bathroom, but the tub isn't working. Look how old this is. This is over 100 years old, this clawfoot tub. My grandma painted it. And something's telling me this is a jail mott, but I'm not sure. It's a bit of a mess since we never even used the tub. Unfortunately, this beautiful original faucet's going to have to get replaced soon because it was leaking. We'll need a shower one, though. We have this wonderful window here. And this bathroom used to be really cool. It had this, I think, 87 Rialto. But look what it got replaced with. Piece of junk. It always pretty much clogs all the time. It leaves disgusting stuff in the pool. And I miss the Kohler Rialto. Here we've got the original Kohler bidet. Unfortunately, it's being disconnected because it was leaking. We're probably going to fix it up one day though, so it will be nice to use that again. Here we just got the sink. It's a newer one. It replaced a Kohler pedestal sink. It's cracked and destroyed now. Here, I still have the faucets from it, but average vanity. Back to the UberHaus. Crap, more like Uber crap. The slow closing seat's a cool aspect, but it's still crap. So here we have the inside of a tank. The tank. You don't have a flashlight or anything here, but that fill valve actually says Ross or something. It's spelled W-R-A-S. And the dual flush system. Like that. That is literally the fill valve. Don't know what's the deal with that there. Has really no data. Oh, it says, you guys can see it, 15. Yeah, it's 2015. 2015 UberHaus. Now let's give it a flush on full. Oh, that supposedly uses 6 liters. That is a waste of 6 good liters. Oh, this thing deserves to die.